What up, what's going on out there, y'all? Give y'all a little review right here. Put some speakers on my bike, see them right there. Actually, it's four of them, it's 4 Bose speakers. Got 2 in the front right here. I got 2 in the back, one right here and another back there. I was gonna put my crash bar back on the front of it. I was gonna mount the other 2 down to the bottom. I never got around to it. I ain't wanna do it. I took my crash bar set over there, sitting right there for right now. Yeah, this right here just review. I should have did the installation so y'all could have seen what it looked like when I was installing these. This is not hard at all. Just 4 wires ran to the main control box here in the middle. I got it underneath my seat, whatnot, tucked underneath there. As of right now, this wire right here what turns the speakers on and off, because it's always powered on, so I have to get a toggle switch. I got a toggle switch on, which I'm about to install today. I went to auto parts store, got a couple toggle switches, got more stuff to put on it. I also got these lights I'm about to put on it too, so I want to wait till I do the lights on there in order to get the toggle switches on there. So I'm mounting the toggle switches somewhere also. But as of right now, I can get y'all a sound check right quick. Let y'all hear what they sound like. Let me go ahead and go for it. All right, let me play something right quick. I gotta play some of my music so I don't get copywritten. Some stuff I actually made. Now right here is also my volume switch. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. It's the volume knob right there. Turn up and down. Turn up a little bit so I can hear it. It gets pretty loud though.
Some say I'm nice, but I just tell them I'm gifted. So in my brain, like the blood in my veins.
It's Bluetooth. I can turn it down on my phone if I need be. Just turn up and down on my phone. But I like to have the volume right there, so I can just leave my phone sit. I can just turn up and down whenever I need be. Show y'all what the actual box look like. Container look like it came in. This right here is the actual system that it didn't turn the lights so y'all can see it. So the Bose audio system Bluetooth, like you see it right there. That's what model it is. I was thinking about getting it. That's what actual control module looks like right there. It's going in the center. Everything hooks up there. All 4 speakers, power wires coming from it. That's how some people have them right there. All 4 of them on the front. I ain't want to do it that way. I'm still thinking about taking 2 of them and put them in the front, but I don't know. And also it has I don't ever use it, but has a auxiliary hookup where you can hook up auxiliary to it. I just use the Bluetooth. But I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up the right way. I'm gonna put my toggle switch on real quick. Then I'm gonna give y'all a sound check when I'm riding on the road, man. I'm actually riding. I can still hear pretty good. The only thing I don't really like about it is that it don't have like a lot of bass. I mean, you can hear the words very good though, but it don't have like a lot of bass. I mean, that's why I expected these just small speakers. I think it's what 4.5-inch speakers, so it's not, can't expect too much from them. But I'll be going about. I was on the highway the other day going 70, and I still can hear them. They sound good though. I'm gonna give y'all a sound check here in a minute. In the meantime, me in the background doing another video. I'm gonna start recording a video for this right here. Just me throwing on these lights. Some LED lights on this thing, man. Light it up a little bit, but yeah, let's see. Let's go ahead, man. When I come back, I should have had a toggle switch on, and we're gonna be doing a sound check going down the road. So y'all can hear this thing. All right, y'all, finished everything up from my lights, whatnot. My last previous video. Y'all probably see it getting posted next. I just had to tidy everything up. Got the toggle switches ran now. One right here for my. This is for my lights. This is gonna be for my speakers right here. So what we're gonna do right now, y'all, we're gonna test these speakers out, see what they sound like on the road. We'll mount it to my helmet right quick. I'm about to GoPro to my helmet. So we'll check it out, see what this thing sounds like. Let's go, let's get out here right quick. Thank you for tuning in for the business. You guys are feeling turn it up a little for y'all so y'all can hear it a little bit. I gotta turn it down right now.
It's Dee Lynn.
It's your boy Fat Mill.
Icy Bud Todd, FLM, Hair Street. And it's your boy DDP, and we are P-Town. Unfinished. Yeah. Let's take it. Unfinished. Tell it. Unfinished. Yeah. Let's take it. Unfinished.
But now I'm back with a vengeance, and yes, the name is Beastie. And I do, but I do. Yeah, baby, I get that. Got your business around. Keep it and I'm feeling kind of okay while the beat is feeling okay. While you singing on it, got you singing, we gon' do it today.
Unfinished. Yeah. Let's take it. Unfinished.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. I see it money to your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. I see it money to your motive, but throw it when you cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. I see it money to your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. I see it money to your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
Sound like y'all. Turn the lights on so y'all can see the lights too. That's what you looking like. Hey, hey. They ain't half bad though. Y'all, that's what you sound like that, man. Hope y'all can hear it pretty good though. I hope the camera done some justice actually. On the highway up there, I was going probably like 65. It's like my average speed and whatnot on this bike right here. So that shows like how the music, how these speakers sound when you ride and whatnot compared to how loud the bike is. Hey, it's sounding good right there. Y'all see, got the lights on this thing too. Woo. Oh, she lit it. I can't wait to see it at night. I ain't even seen it at nighttime. Y'all, we just got done doing this. Make sure y'all check out that video too. That video getting posted next. Make sure y'all check that joint out too. Let's go ahead and hit some switches on so we can end this video. Switch 1, switch 2. Shut it down. All right, y'all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in right here. That's for your host right here. We'll catch y'all on the next video. Go home.